Hi guys, I'm Kailash Kanade coming with a new topic that is a parse. Okay, so what is the use of this parse method? So parse method it is used for any string representative number or any dates or any double value. So we can convert that into the corresponding types. Okay, corresponding data. Okay, so that is the use of this parse method. Okay, so how we can use this parse method in UiPath? So that's why I'm going to open this UiPath Studio. And suppose like I have string like 45. Okay, so I want to convert this string to integer. How we can convert this string to integer by using this parse method? So let's see. I'm going to open this UiPath Studio, and first of all I'm going to create one variable which is type of integer, because I need to store the output now. So that's why I'm going to create a integer variable, integer var, and it is a type of integer. Okay, so I'm going to take a assign activity. So here I'm going to declare the integer variable, and here I'm going to convert that string to integer. Okay, so how we can convert the string to integer? So I am going to write the integer. Okay, integer dot, here I am going to write the parse method. Okay, parse. Okay, in bracket we need to provide the string data. So I want to convert this string data to integer, so that's why I'm going to provide the string data here, and I'm going to click on the save button. Now this is going to convert the string to integer, and finally I want to display that value. So display purpose I am going to take a message box, and here I am going to pass the output. So let's see what happened here. It's going to convert that string to integer, and it is going to display that integer value. Yeah. So this is my integer value. Okay. So this is the use of this parse method. Okay. So next we are going to understand what is this TryParse. TryParse it is going to use for it is going to check the XM, means it is going to check the conversion. Yeah, it is convertible or not. That is the use of this try pass. It is going to check. Yeah, it is going to convert or not. So that is the use of this try method, try parse method. Okay. So how we can use this try parse method? Okay, and output of this try parse method is a like a boolean. Okay, so how we can implement this? So instead of parse I am going to put the try parse. Okay, so try parse in bracket, we need to pass the string variable, comma, I am going to pass the integer variable. So what is the use of this, or what is the meaning of that? Okay, try parse bracket 45. Yeah, that is a good, because of this is a boolean. So output is a boolean. So that's why it is going to display the error, internal error. So yeah. So what is the use of this string? Try-parse, it is going to check, yeah, it is convertible or not. If it is convertible, then output result is a successful, means true. And if it is not convertible, then output is a false. That is the use of this try-parse method. So what is the use of this comma int var? So my uh, uh, like compiler, it is going to implicitly it is going to check, yeah, it is going to convertible or not. If it is convertible, then result it is going to store into this variable, that is a 45. Okay, and my try parse it is going to check, yeah, this variable is blank or not. If it is not blank, means it is a true. If it is blank, means it is a false. That is the internal work of this try parse. Okay, I am going to click on this save method, and so directly I am going to put this whole thing into the message box. So that's why we will get the result. Okay, so try parse it is output is either true or false. True means it is convertible, or false means it is not going to able to convert that string to integer. Yeah, so that is the use of try parse. It is going to check, yeah, this thing is convertible or not. Yeah, it's a convertible. So but instead of this 45, I am going to pass the any other character, means like suppose a. Yeah, obvious it is not going to convert string to integer. But this time my bot is not going to throw the error. It is going to display the false because it is going to check the it is convergible or not. Try parse. Instead of error, it is going to display the false. So that is the use of try parse method. Okay. So next is the parse exact. Why we are going to use this parse exact method? Suppose I have a date. What is that? Okay, like 25 and say 7 or 6 2025. This is my uh, string having dates. Okay. So this is my date. I want to convert this string to date. How we can convert that? I want to convert this string to date. How we can convert that? Generally, we are going to apply the C date. C date. Okay. C date. But it is not going to work. See, it is not going to work. And I'm going to try to apply the C date. Okay. In bracket, double quotes 25/06/2025. Okay. So it is not going to convert. Okay, I'm going to click on save. I'm going to run this. It is not going to convert. It is going to throw the errors. Format something like that. See, string to type of date is not valid. Correct. So that's why we need to use a string parse exact. Okay. So parse exact. How we can use this parse exact method? Okay. So let's see. So parse exact method. So first of all, I'm going to type the date time. Okay, or date, you can apply the date only. That is also fine. Date dot parse. Okay, date dot parse exact in bracket. We need to provide the date. What is that? 25. Okay, 06 2025. This is my date. Okay, and what is the format of this? Like DD MM YYY. Okay, 4 times Y. Okay, this is a format of this. Okay, so next comma. Okay, so system dot, okay, system dot globalization. Okay, globalization dot, okay, dot invariant culture info. Okay, culture info dot invariant culture. Okay, invariant culture. So what does it? It is going to convert this string to date time. Okay. So what is the use of this system dot globalization dot culture info invariant culture? What is the use of this? So my system date format like this, like DD hyphen MM hyphen 2025. Okay. Suppose like other system that is USA date format or India date format or any other date format. So it is able to convert, understand. Yeah, this is the format of this. Yeah, this is the format of this. Formatting purpose, we need to use this globalization dot culture info dot invariant culture. Okay, so I am going to click on that save button. Okay, and I am going to run this. Yeah, it is going to convert the string to date time and it is going to display that date. Yeah, yeah, 6th month 25 is DD and 2025. That is a use of parse exact method. So what is the next try parse method? What is the use of this try parse method? So I want to check, yeah, this date is convertible or not. If it is convertible, then I need to go with that. Other, if it is not convertible, I don't want to throw the error. I need to just check that. How we can apply that? How we can do that? So same here. I'm going to write the date time dot parse exact. Instead of parse exact, I'm going to use a try parse. That's it. Here I need to write the extra. Okay, so globalization, globalization dot culture info dot invariant culture, comma. Okay, comma. So here I need to write the style date time. So date globalization dot date time style. Okay, globalization. Okay, dot date time styles dot none. Okay, and comma space new space date. It is going to create an instance of that date. And what is the use of this? Means what? Suppose any like space, white space available into that date. So it is going to ignore that means stream and all that things. It is going to invert. It is going to consider none things, and it is going to check that yeah, is it date or not. So that is the use of this method. And output is a true or false. True means it is date is convertible. False means date is not convertible. So that is the output of this method. I am going to click on save, and again I am going to execute this. Let's see what happened. It is going to display the either true or either false. True means convertible. False means not convertible. Yeah, so this is nothing but a how we can check the yeah date is convertible or not. So this is very useful method, guys. Try parse exact. So many times in real time we will get the error date time format is uh, not correct. So this kind of error we will get in real time. So instead of that directly you can first of all check that try parse. If it is true, then you can formatting that. You can use that. Okay. So that is the use of try parse exact method. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, guys. Please like and subscribe. Yeah, thanks.